Welcome to JetCore. Today, you'll witness how the world's most luxurious car is born, piece by piece, with precision and perfection. This is the Rolls-Royce production facility, not just a factory, but a sanctuary of craftsmanship. Unlike mass production, here, everything is handmade. From aluminum space frame to the final coat of paint, every step takes hours, not minutes. Each phantom body is checked by hand. Robots spray, but it's humans who perfect. The paint? It's not just color, it's identity. Sometimes, it takes 7 coats and weeks of polishing to achieve that perfect mirror finish. Step inside. The wood? Real. The leather? Sourced from bulls raised without barbed wire. The starlight ceiling? Over 1,500 fiber optic lights, placed one by hand. Under the hood, a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12. It doesn't roar. It whispers power. The Phantom isn't made to race, it's made to glide, to float, to rule. Rolls-Royce doesn't build cars. It builds experiences. This is the Phantom. And this is JetCore, where machines meet mastery.